Hi there, superstars. We're spring cleaning, but we want healthy home cleaning products without a lot of toxins and those type of things in them. So let's see what we find. So let's start with laundry detergent. And we're not trying to be brand specific here. Oh my God, my eyes are going. This is hard to see, but a lot of alkyl benzoanes. It has sodium lauryl sulfate, seen also as SLS on a lot of different ingredients. And the reason that's an issue is a lot of these chemicals, especially those two that I just mentioned, are hormone disruptors. They're impacting how our hormones work. So you really want to try to find cleaners with a minimal amount of SLS or sodium lauryl sulfate, and there are some other derivatives of that as well. Let's keep going. Let's see what else we find here. What's in here? Now, I know many people love using deodorizers in their home to freshen up the air, especially if you have a dog. Hello, Boomer. We're always trying to figure out what to do with you. Well, let's see what we've got in here. This has fragrances, potential allergens. This is classic. This isn't spelling out for us what the ingredients are. That's always a red flag. You should know every single ingredient in your products, even if they're not 100% clean. It's okay, but you still want to know, because at the end of the day, we want to know our toxic load. We want to know the sum of toxins we're getting exposed to between cleaning products and beauty products, food, and the like. All right, come with me. We'll keep going here. This is a dish soap. Let's see what we've got with this. So we still have the SLS in here, but we don't have quite as many. I'm going to hide the brand. We don't have quite as many ingredients in here as we do with some of the other products that we've looked at just a second ago, and they're very clear about what's in here. So that's not a bad deal. Here's another one, and this time we are seeing some different products. So we've got water as the first ingredient. That's good. And then we've got some other chemicals for sure in here, but none of them. We have no parabens. We have no phthalates. We don't have SLS in here. So this would be a better choice as a cleanser versus some of the others that we looked at right now. What a lot of brands will do sometimes is they'll do something called greenwashing. Greenwashing is where you take the same product, it may have chemicals or toxins in it, but you put it in packaging that's eco-friendly or non-toxic, and you label it a clean product. So be careful about greenwashing. That's a trend in both beauty, cosmetics, and also in cleaning products too. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. This is a dishwashing detergent. Let's see if we can find the ingredients. Can we? Let's see. Maybe I just can't see. Hold on. So this is what they've got in it. Sodium carbonate, citric acid, sodium sulfate, PPG 10. So again, these are not as bad as SLS and some of the other ingredients that we've seen elsewhere, but a great alternative, quite honestly, if you want to try that instead. Okay, let's take a look at a deodorizer. So I'm actually really sensitive to these. I don't know about you guys. I will actually get headaches from some of this stuff. So this has in it, we have propylene glycol. That's a red flag. We have strontium chloride. Now, again, propylene glycol is one of those ingredients that does also act as a hormone disruptor. This is contributing to VOX, or volatile organic phosphates, which again impact so many different aspects of the body. There's some talk that it could be connected again in a cumulative load to your risk for cancer. So that's the reason it's kind of important to start paying attention to these different ingredients. All right, let's come all the way down the aisles here. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. We've got a floor finish. And let me find the ingredients. See, it's so hard to find these ingredients. I wish they wouldn't make it that difficult. But I don't even see the ingredients labeled on here. Again, a red flag. If you can't see the ingredients, then that's a problem. Versus this more traditional floor finish, which is just oil. Here we go. Water, sodium phthalate. It's got a couple of other ingredients, citronella oil. So more straightforward, right? So know what you're using, whether it's in your house or whether it's on your floors, wherever you are. Really pay attention to ingredients, the parabens, the phthalates, triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, all of these big words. They're important at the end of the day to keep our toxic load down and prevent our risk of cancer, hormone disruption, inflammation, and so many other things that we talk about. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Thursday. Check it out.